Hello friends, how you doing? And in this video I will show you how you can enable dual WhatsApp or dual Messenger in Samsung Galaxy A03s. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. So to enable or use clone apps in Samsung Galaxy A03s, first of all just open settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video to enable dual Messenger or WhatsApp in Samsung Galaxy A03s.